Have you ever walked into a software company or seen a developer's screen? Chances are it wasn't a bright white document, but a sleek, dark background with colorful text. Today, we are exploring why programmers overwhelmingly prefer dark themes. Is it just because it looks cool, or is there actual science behind it? While dark mode definitely has a modern, hacker-like aesthetic that many enjoy, the preference runs much deeper than just style. For developers, this is a tool of the trade. It is a decision rooted in utility, physical comfort, and biology, affecting how they work for 8 to 10 hours every single day. The most common reason cited is eye comfort. Imagine staring at a light bulb for 8 hours. That is essentially what a bright white screen does. It subjects your eyes to constant, high-intensity light. Dark themes significantly reduce the overall brightness output of the monitor, which helps mitigate digital eye strain and fatigue during marathon coding sessions. Code is not just plain text. It is a complex structure of logic, variables, and functions. Developers use colors, known as syntax highlighting, to read this structure quickly. Vibrant colors like neon blue, green, and purple pop much more aggressively against a dark background than they do against white, making the code easier to scan and understand. Visual distraction is a real productivity killer. Bright white borders and toolbars in a light theme can catch your peripheral vision and draw attention away from the center of the screen. Dark borders tend to recede into the background, creating a tunnel vision effect that allows the developer to focus purely on the logic in the center. There is also a practical benefit for laptop users. Modern screens often use OLED or AMOLED technology. On these displays, a black pixel is simply a pixel that is turned off. It consumes no energy. Using a dark interface can actually extend battery life, allowing developers to work longer without hunting for a power outlet. Stereotypically, but often truthfully, many developers work late at night or in dimly lit offices to avoid glare. If your room is dark and your screen is bright white, your pupils have to constantly adjust, which is exhausting. A dark theme matches the ambient lighting of a darker room, creating a seamless and comfortable visual environment. However, dark mode is not magic, and it is not for everyone. For people with astigmatism, white text on a black background can cause a halation effect, where the text appears to blur or have a glowing halo. For these users, a light theme is actually better for readability and causes less strain. In summary, programmers use dark themes to reduce eye strain in low-light conditions, improve the contrast of colored code, save battery life, and maintain focus. Whether you choose light or dark, the best theme is ultimately the one that allows you to work comfortably and efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.